Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizal Amin, NPM 21051010105 from the D660 class architecture study program. Population explosion is the rapid growth of the population in a relatively short period of time. Population explosion usually occurs because the birth rate is very high, while the death rate has decreased drastically. The drastic decrease in the death rate was caused by several factors, including improving health condition and improving community nutrition. High population growth generally occurs in developing countries such as Indonesia. We take the example of the city of Jakarta. The population growth there is quite high. Many people from outside the city wants to live in the capital city of Indonesia. Many people migrate to Jakarta but do not have a place to live, so they have to find a place to live for a while. Many of them live on the banks of rivers, under toll roads, and many more places. Not only that, the birth rate in Jakarta is increasing every year, which results in the population in the city of Jakarta increasing and making the city often experience congestion and flooding due to people living on the banks of the river, which cause the river to not flow properly. If the birth rate is high, if it is not balanced with an increase in economic capacity, it will reduce the welfare of the population of a country. The effect of the population explosion include the increasing unemployment rate due to the many competitors in registering jobs, crimes such as theft, browse between students or residents, the deteriorating economy in this country, and deteriorating other social condition. These population explosion problems must be addressed immediately so that it will not cause problem in the future. Things that the government can do to overcome the population explosions are: the first, to disseminate information to the community about the impact that will be caused if the population increase is higher, and advise the community to implement family planning programs so that the birth rate does not increase. The second, expand employment opportunities in order to reduce the population unemployment in Indonesia. The way that individuals can do to reduce the population explosion is by increasing the competences and skills needed for the world of work, and also re-advise the surrounding community to participate in the family planning programs. Maybe that's all I can explain. Thank you.